Guys, I'm embarrassed to even show you this, but this needs to be fixed. It's a wreck, and that little bucket is just not working anymore.
Hey guys, it's Brandy with Eternal Harvest, and today I'm going to show you how I built this bathroom caddy. I needed something to hold my curling irons and blow dryers, etc. I'll put all the cut instructions down below, but I started with a 1x3 for the base, and I needed it to be about 9 inches tall in the back to hold the curling iron, and then tear down from there to hold other hair products and makeup, etc. So I start by cutting down these 1x3s and laying out the base of the caddy. At the very top I put some 1x2s. I cut those for the top tier just to hold in the blow dryer, which is kind of pretty big. I just used my nail gun and some Titebond glue to assemble the base for the caddy. Then I moved up to the second tier and did the exact same thing. Titebond glue, my 18 gauge nailer, put all those pieces together for the second tier. Then I decided to attach all the tiers together. I would Kreg jig a couple holes in each tier and screw them down. So that's what I'm doing here. So here is the final layout. The top is for curling irons and blow dryers, and then hair product, and then whatever else is left over for the bottom tier. I like how it turned out.
Okay, so I've got the base all done. I think I'm going to sand it down really quickly and give it a quick stain, and then I'll go put everything into it.
Once that was all done, I decided to stain, and I used Special Walnut by Minwax for the color. I have a couple other pieces in my bathroom that are the same color, so I wanted to match that, make it a little more uniform. And here it is. Pulled everything out, and there was a lot of stuff there. And I was able to fit 5 curling irons and a blow dryer in that top space, and then hair product, and then some of my shorter accessories at the bottom. It works out perfectly. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll include all the cut information below in the information portion of this post. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Eternal Harvest Decor. Thanks, guys!